Students, today we are going to start exercise 14.3. This is related with the division. First question is carry out the following divisions. In question number 1, we have to divide the monomial by a monomial. So first part is 28x raised to power 4 divided by 56x. So firstly we will change it into numerator by denominator form and cancel the common factors. 28x raised to power 4 means x को कितनी बार लिखोगे आप 4 times 1x के साथ x कैंसिल होगा 28 1 जा 28 28 2 जा 56 so we will get x cube by 2 that is the answer. All the other parts are same. In question number 2, divide the given polynomial by a given monomial. Now, we have to divide the polynomial with monomial. In this question, we will divide each term of polynomial with monomial. So, first part is 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. Firstly, convert it into numerator by denominator. So, it will become 5x square minus 6x by 3x. So we will divide each term of the polynomial by monomial. So 5x square by 3x minus 6x by 3x. When you solve, you will get एक x के साथ x cancel हो जाएगा, एक रह जाएगा. So 5 by 3x minus it will cancel x with x and 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So यहाँ पे क्या आ गया 2. So 5 by 3x minus 2 is the answer. All the other parts are same. Third is work out the following divisions. 10x minus 25 divided by 5. In this question, we have to take the common factor and then cancel with the numerator. In the first part, 10x minus 25 by 5. We know that 10x minus and minus 25 has the common factor as 5. So we will take 5 as common. और ब्रैकेट में क्या रह जाएगा 2x minus 5. So 5 into 2x minus 5 by 5. 5 के साथ 5 कैंसिल हुआ 2x minus 5 क्या आ गया आंसर. सेकेंड पार्ट में क्या है 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. Now polynomial is divided by polynomial. Or you can say here binomial is divided by binomial. So 10x minus 25 by 2x minus 5. यहाँ से 5 कॉमन आ जाएगा. It will become 5 into 2x minus 5 by 2x minus 5. अब ये नहीं है कि आप 2 के साथ 2 कैंसिल कर दो x के साथ x. No. Now this complete binomial 2x minus 5 और जो डिनोमिनेटर में है 2x minus 5. These will cancel with each other and we will get 5 as a answer. थर्ड पार्ट भी करवा रही हूं ताकि आपको अच्छे से समझ आ जाए. 10y इंटू 6y प्लस 21 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 इंटू 2y प्लस 7. अब देखो पहले न्यूमिनेटर बाय डिनोमिनेटर की फॉर्म में आपने लिख लिया. अब 6y प्लस 21 में से 3 कॉमन आ रहा है. देन इट विल बिकम 10y इंटू 3 2y प्लस 7 बाय 5 इंटू 2y प्लस 7. 5 1 जा 5 5 2 जा 10 और ये कंप्लीट जो polynomial है और you can say binomial है basically. These will cancel with each other. So we will get 2y into 3 6y. That is the answer. All the other parts are same. Question number 4 divided as directed. First part is 5 2x plus 1 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. Here the given here in this question the factors are already given. Just we have to cancel the numerator with the denominator. Which term is cancelled? Which polynomial is cancelled with the polynomial that is given in the denominator? Just we have to cancel. 5 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 by 2x plus 1. तो 2x plus 1 2x plus 1 के साथ कम polynomial cancel होगी. We will get 5 into 3x plus 5. That is the answer. All the other parts are same. This is question number 5. Factorize the expressions and divided them as directed. First part is y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. Here firstly we have to factorize y square plus 7y plus 10. This is similar as question number 14.2 of question 14.2 question number 5. Firstly, we will change it into numerator and by denominator. So we will have to find the product, the factors whose product equal to 10, and sum equal to 7. So we have 2 and 5 as the factors whose product is 10 and sum is 7. So we will change 7y into 2y plus 5y. So y square plus 5y plus 2y plus 10 by 5 y plus 5. When you take common from these two terms, y is common and y plus 5 plus here 2 is common, y plus 5. So y plus 5 common, and in the second bracket y plus 2. Y plus 5 into y plus 2 by y plus 5. We will cancel y plus 5 and the answer becomes y plus 2. All the other parts are same, but we will discuss because this is the new thing for you. M square minus 14m minus 32. We will discuss only the factors. Product minus 32 or sum minus 14. When you factorize, you will get minus 16 and 2 will be the factors. Minus 16 into 2 minus 32, minus 16 plus 2 becomes minus 14. So we will choose these methods. Next is 5p square minus 25p plus 20. Firstly, we will take 5 as common and product is 4 and sum is minus 5. So minus 4 and minus 1 are the factors. So minus 4p and minus p we will use in place of minus 5p and solve as usual. Next is z square 4yz into z square plus 6z minus 16. Product minus 16 and sum equal to 6. So factors are 8 and minus 2. Okay. Now you can solve by yourself. Next is 5pq into p square minus q square divided by 2p into p plus q. सो न्यूमिनेटर बाय डिनोमिनेटर की फॉर्म में करने के बाद देखो ए स्क्र माइनस बी स्क्र का फॉर्मूला लग रहा है पी प्लस क्यू इंटू पी माइनस क्यू. सो पी प्लस क्यू विद कैंसिल विद पी प्लस क्यू. हियर यू हैव टू राइट विच आइडेंटिटी यू हैव यूज्ड. So answer becomes 5pq into p minus q. All the other parts are same. You can solve by your own.